everybody, my name is Khaya Mthethwa and you join me namhlanje. I'm at Mega City in Umlazi, my hometown. I'm here with Portia M Foundation, who's here to really assist small businesses that have been struggling during this time. It's Women's Month, we're celebrating Women's Month, so what a time for us to kind of come together, rally around women that are in business and see how we can assist them more. We're in Mega City today, we're going to see Manozie in her salon. Come with me and see what we have for her. Hello, Sister Manozie. Happy Women's Month.
Thank you so much.
It's such a pleasure for me to come into your business. We just came to wish you a happy Women's Month and just have a little chit chat.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Nenzam like her. What do you guys do?
La salon kama Manozie siyakunda, siyaluka, siyarelaxa, senza ama-weave, senza ama-nails, inzipho, siyenza okuningi, makeup, siyawenza.
I know that I'm a businessy, Umlazi as Ncwane had really been struggling after the last couple of weeks that we've had.
Yes.
How have you been? How has your business been affected by that?
Affectile kakhulu thina ezumndeni wethu njengoba siyimele kungekho nosisizayo. Nabasebenzi esinabasebenzi abaningi abawu-19 cabanga labasebenzi banama-families abo ekufanele bawanakekele. So ngoba singasebenzi abanalutho nathi asinalutho. Kubuhlungu because it's isalon le or ibhizinisi sekuwena or umntwana wakho. Uyabona ukhulisa umntwana, umkhulisa uzothi uyagula like njengoba bekwenzeka kuluthiwe. Kodwa amaqhamuka udokotela okunika ithembo uba nesmile ebusweni bakho nje sibonga uPortia M uthi afike azosibona nawe ufike uzosibona kuyasijabulisa kuyasiduduza sibuyelwa ithemba.
So nje usifikile ke la eManozie ngihamba nePortia M Foundation sikuphathele istock so rebuilder kahle imishini ama-dryer ama-conditioner ama-shampoo ama-relaxer colors all sorts of things so that uzokwazi uqala ukusebenza. How will this assist your business moving forward njengoba uzoqala uvule futhi?
Ngiyakujabulela kakhulu ama-products izinto abangiphathele zona because bayathanda uPortia M abantu abaningi so nje nawo because azokwandisa ibhizinisi azokukhulisa siyakujabulela kakhulu ukuthi nifike nizosipha lezi zinto kubuya ithemba ke manje.
Manozie siyabonga kakhulu ngosineze ithuba lakho namhlanje nesikhathi ne-opportunity sokwazi ukuthi sisize la singakwazi ukusiza khona.
Siyabonga kakhulu bengithi uzongishayela ingoma eyodwa nje.
Hayi cha mina ngithi uzongigunda.